Hi guys, one of my new upgrades. Winter has been quite long, so these are brand new fog LED lights for F3 models by SlingMods.com. Aftermarket websites for Rikers, CanAm Spyders, you know. I have seen these LED lights on a couple of F3s, I absolutely love them, but I was not sure if I would be able to mount them to European model. In this video I'll tell you how it is for you guys in America to install them, what additional benefits you might have, and also I'll tell you what I did in order to be able to run them in Europe. This is quite a tricky thing. I need to get rid of the daylight basically. Okay, so I'll start like this. There is a video that how I have installed the brighter lights for the F3. They arrived also from SlingMods.com, and there is a slight difference between me, Australian models, maybe Japan models, and you guys in the US. Why I wanted to install those fog lights here, basically three main reasons. First one, they look super cool, TheBeast is super cool, so I have to have them. Two, they are the same color now as I have signature light kit by CanAm, as I have the new high and low beams on the top. So they are white, really kind of cold color. Now I look like one compact. I have one color on the bike, not like those yellowish colors that I used to have or all F3s come with. And the third reason is safety. I want it to be more visible on the road. There is a slight difference. For you guys in America, it's absolutely easy, plug and play option. You have seen it in the beginning of the video. That's all the components that they have arrived. All you need to do, probably you will not have the fog lights there, so you need to just remove the plastic and use some screwdriver in order to put it in there. Plug it only on one side. You have connector on the right side, I believe, and that's simply it. For me in Europe it was a little bit complicated because we are running daylight where you have fog lights in America. It's a little bit pity because these top lights, they are used only for high beams. Now the problem is, when I was riding behind the car, not a lot of people were able to see me just because of these lights are a little bit low. Those on the bottom, not really important. So what I have decided to do, I have switched a little bit of the configuration. Now I'm running daylights here, high beams here, and these are behaving not like fog lights, or maybe they do. But how they behave, basically they are always on. There will be a slight difference between you and me. You will have a button right over here that I will use for something else, hopefully, and that's the next video that is coming out. So guys, if you like those lights, there is the link in the video. For me, it's one of the coolest upgrades that I have done, apart from the wheels, but you can see the video right over there. You can buy those wheels on the SlingMods.com as well. Now the sun is shining and it's time for the first ride of the year. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, just write them into a comment, and remember, always have fun.